Hello, it's Just Gaming here, and today this is the last video on my face cam. By the way, the final video before we get into gameplay. You might have noticed as well, guys, that I haven't uploaded any of the videos yet. You might have noticed, just because I wanted to do them all in a row first before I do upload them. But yeah, this is going to be the final one because I don't want to do too many on the face cam. So this one will be the final video of recording on it. Yeah, before I get into tomorrow of recording on it, and I will be getting rid of them all before my iCloud storage does get full. So I just want to let you know about that. So basically today is going to be a bit similar compared to the one I've just done, and we're going to be showing off the new Liverpool third kit 2020. So basically this is the third Liverpool kit, not the away one. I know that I haven't done the away one in a video yet, but that will be coming up as well. But this one is the third one. So this is the third kit that I've picked up. So hopefully you guys do enjoy. So here it is, and it's black. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? It's black and it's got gold on it, and this is quite a good third kit. This is the brand new one, the brand new third kit. And it looks incredible. I love it. It looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, it will be in an unboxing video. Actually, I forgot about that. I didn't actually mention that. It will be in an unboxing video as well. Just to let you know about that. So yeah, so this is the Liverpool third kit, and it looks incredible, doesn't it? So we're going to start off by showing the front off, and then I will get into the back and kind of the other things. So this is the front. Let's kind of show you now. You might kind of not see it because it is a bit gold, but yeah, and I haven't actually wired it yet. I don't even know when I'll be wiring it. I don't know. Be coming up. So yeah, let's go and start off with the front. I don't even know why I folded it there. So as you can see, it's just pretty box standard. It says standard chartered on the front. We have the Liverpool logo sign, as you can see there. We have the B, which is on the home kit. And we have that sign, that I don't know what that logo is, and we have standard chartered, and we have the bottom thing. We also have that as well. We have the B, and also I think there's one more thing on it, isn't there? Is that it? Is that? Oh no, that's it. So yeah, that's the front. Oh, done this wrong there. There we go. So yeah, so that's the front. Let me know what you think of it. It looks cool, doesn't it? I'd have to wear it at some point. I don't know when though, but yeah, so the front is pretty much box standard. Lots of different stuff on it. Because what I love about the front is the gold. The gold's incredible. I think they've done a good job on that one, because I know it's the third kit as well, but they've done a really good job on the gold, because the gold looks pretty good. Yeah, just a pretty box standard gold thing, to be honest. Yeah, they've done some really good stuff on the gold section. I think they've done it pretty well, and I love it as well. And another thing is about it as well is I love it how they've put gold around the outside as well, because you might have noticed that there's gold on the end here. I kind of like it how they've put gold on the ends of it as well. So they put gold there and gold there as well. So that looks pretty cool as well. So that's the front, guys. Show you one more view. There you go. And there's the front. Right, the back. So who is on the back? Who's on the back? It's the same player. Mo Salah, number 11. So just exactly the same player again. Yeah, Mo Salah, number 11. And you can see this time he's in his gold shape. So it's gold writing and the gold number as well, which is quite cool. So it's got his massive number 11. Oh yeah, something I've not noticed as well. It's got the Liverpool logos as well on the number. Can't really see, can you? But yeah, it's got the Liverpool logo numbers, which are quite cool as well. So that's pretty incredible as well. Yeah, so just pretty box standard. Mo Salah on the back, number 11, my birthday number. And yeah, just these big massive gold type of writing and the number 11. Which looks pretty cool as well. So yeah, just another kind of one. Because Mo Salah is my favourite player, so that's why. And yeah, there's another. I kind of noticed on my old Liverpool kit, the 2018 one, or 2019 one. I kind of noticed on that kit. I noticed on that one I had my second name on it, Challenger, because I wanted to have my favourite number called number 8. Number 8's actually my favourite number, or number 88. It can be 8 or 88. And I wanted to have my number, so maybe in the new Liverpool kit season, 2021, I'm going to be having Jack number 8. Not my birthday number. I don't want my birthday number for the next one. I want number 8 or 88, and I want it to say Jack on it, or Jack D. Jack or Jack D. That'll probably do. So if I do end up doing that, that'll be brilliant. So, or possibly it might be Mo Salah again. It might end up being Mo Salah again. I don't really know, but I'll have to think about it. So anyway, so I'll look at the back again. There we go. So Mo Salah, number 11, does the job as well. So that's him. And then, as you can see here, just the same again on this side. The W for Western Union. And also on the opposite side, we have the Premier League as well. Because I think I've kind of realised that they won't be playing this kit a lot. Because obviously there's a lot of home games. So only the time they'll be in this kit is when they're away. Like, when they play home, they're in the home kit. So only the time they'll be playing in this one is when they're in their away games. So when they play their away games, they'll be in this one. It'll be that or the white one. So it'll be the white one or it'll be this one. So that'll be that one. And then the home ones will just be in that one, by the way. Just like you know. So that's kind of going to be the way how it's kind of going to work between them. So that's going to be pretty cool as well. So yeah, hopefully that'll be pretty cool as well. So yeah. Looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Because also, I will be getting the new FIFA. I know that at the moment you might have noticed that I haven't done FIFA on my channel yet, but I'm going to be getting the new FIFA. By the way, the FIFA 2020. FIFA 20, sorry, it's COD. So I'm going to be getting the new FIFA, which comes out in September, and I'm also going to be getting FIFA 19, because I don't have FIFA 19 at the moment yet, so I'm going to be getting that FIFA as well, which is going to be quite cool. I don't think it's actually that much on the store either, so I might not maybe getting that, because I'm going to be going on the store tonight, because I'm going to be getting MotoGP 19, because I still haven't got that yet, so I'm going to be getting that. And if I have enough money left, I might be able to get FIFA 19 as well with that. As well, I don't really know about that, or maybe I might have to wait for a couple of days. But apart from that, I need to get that as well before eventually FIFA 20 comes out in September. So hopefully that will be pretty cool as well, and I will definitely be playing that. So hopefully that'll be pretty cool as well. But yeah, this won't be just be the video you'll see this kit. There will be a couple more videos I will be talking about it. So hopefully you guys do look forward to that. And also, as I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing a Liverpool series where I kind of talk about it a lot in face videos, a lot on the BBC Sport website as well. There will be a lot of videos on there as well. So just like things I can kind of just like talk about of kind of what it mainly is and stuff like that. So just like stuff I can kind of think about that will be mainly on the Liverpool kit. So hopefully there'll be a lot on that as well. So hopefully that'll be pretty cool as well. And I can't wait to start wearing it. I know that I haven't worn it yet, but I can't wait to start wearing it because it'll be pretty cool. And yeah, just feel like it's just gonna be a pretty nice kit to wear. I just feel like it's gonna be pretty good when we do these matches and stuff, and just feel like it's gonna be a very, very nice kit to just kind of just think and stuff, and I just feel like it's going to be good. And then on the inside, just kind of black, just let you know about that. So yeah, just kind of a stuff I can think about. So the next video about it will be, I think, probably will be next week, and it will be a video a bit similar. But it'll be a video where I kind of show it off in a full video of kind of me not rambling for too long about it. So I probably will end up doing that and letting you guys know about what it normally is and stuff, and just letting you know. I think that's kind of most of it anyway that I will kind of talk about, but hopefully there will be a lot of stuff that I will kind of base it on and stuff like that, and just letting you know about what the kit is supposed to be and stuff, and just giving me some very, very good tip ideas or something, and just kind of the things that I can just kind of think about what the t-shirt's supposed to be. So let me know in the comments about that if you do, and let me know if you do like it. Either that or the home one. It's just kind of the two different ones, but yeah, just let me know which one you do like, and yeah, that'll be pretty cool as well. So yeah, so that is the final video on the face cam tonight. So the face cam videos will be returning tomorrow evening. I'm actually going to be going out tomorrow, so there'll be no videos while I'm out. Yeah, it'll be when I get back. I'll be returning face cam, so just let you know about that. So that is all of them for tonight. So next up is my gameplay. I've got lots of gameplay to upload tonight, so make sure to stick for that coming. It's been 2 weeks, but yeah, I can't wait to get back into doing some gameplay. Hopefully it should be fun. So yeah, let me know if you've got any questions about that, and I will reply as soon as I can before we do get to the next video of me talking about it. And I'll see you later. Bye!